Imagine enjoying a refreshing beverage that perfectly balances sweetness and effervescence. This isn't just an ordinary drink, it's a strawberry based drink. Hello, Sunshines. I'm Suhana Dechamma Kalmaranda, your dietitian. It's a fun, customizable drink that's bound to become your new favorite, making it a go to option for any occasion. Strawberries aren't just a delicious treat, they are packed with essential nutrients that promotes both internal and external health. Some of the health benefits of strawberries are teeth whitening. Due to their high vitamin C content, strawberries naturally help whiten teeth by breaking down and reduces yellow stain. Anti-aging. The antioxidants in strawberries helps protect your skin. Mood enhancement. Strawberries can help improve your mood by boosting serotonin and dopamine, two hormones that enhance happiness. They may also help relieve stress and anxiety, promoting emotional well being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.